Hi, this is Rita and welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a menu in WordPress with Elementor for free. You have to download a plugin. First, install Elementor, then install this plugin by naming Header and Footer Builder. Install it, activate, and go on that page or wherever page you want to. For example, you want to menu, where you want to enter menu or create menu. So I'm gonna with this. uh, so I'm on that page. Okay, here I already have a header, for example, and there is no menu over here. I'm gonna tell you how to add header. For example, this one is element scaled. Go in this, click on sections, and here you will find a lot of header, a free header. Okay, like that. Okay, if you don't know how to customize or how to add this one, watch my video, get the link from the description. Okay, so I want to add menu over here because there is no menu over here. So first go to your dashboard, go in appearance, in menus. From here you have to create a menu. You see the pages you created here all shown here. Okay, and here you see a menu one option over here. So from this side you see what you want to add in your menu. For example, I want to add home, about us, course, contact us, privacy policy, term and condition. Okay, I want to add all of this. So I tick these or all, and click on add to menu, and here you see these are all in add menu. So we have to arrange this. The home is first, the course is second, about us is third, and I want that contact us about after about us, and I want to add, and I want to create a sub menu of about us. This term and condition, I want that they are the sub menus about us. So this is how create. Click on save menu. Okay, now our menu is created. Now I'm on that Elementor editor. So I click on this and you will see some menu over here. From here I have to select menu. If it's not working, refresh for once, and okay, you will see here the menu is created over. You have to just click on that, and from this side you have to select menu, and you create a menu in your dashboard will appear here. From here you can change like you want to click on that or want to hover on that. You can customize or change according to your choice. Okay, in styles you can change their colors or give them borders, padding, width, whatever you want to do. In advance you give them a positions, css, and much more. Let's update and have a look how our menu is look on page. So preview changes. Now you will see our menu is created now just for free. We do nothing. We just add menu from dashboard and then add on that menu in Elementor. Okay, so I hope now you know how to add menu. You can add any type of menu, whatever you want and much you want. You can choose template by clicking on it according to your choice. So I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any curious question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.